Amasahin si Baile vek u rota te chung kwa lo kalaya kan activities shang
Back and
kan ron
Addie.
share leng so oh
What are we making? Yep. Okay, hold on. We're gonna do one at a time. Here, stir it.
hey cake kan han siam don ani hi
Good job.
an
Good
phur tlang
job.
khop mai le
And we're gonna put some eggs. No, 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 no! Don't eat it yet. Keep stirring. Okay. Yeah. Chok ro le. Chok ro. You can't eat that right now. Okay. Stir it.
bek te hian in cake kan bek ma tang hian e chak klap mai
Addie,
tum de
we're
ureng
gonna
mai
do that
hai
first, and then we'll do Addie. Okay.
I'm gonna be Mama.
Hold these two.
I'm gonna be Mommy so much stuff.
Okay.
You don't want it.
Oh, no.
But please.
Let Addie pour the. Good job. All right. Now we crack 4 eggs. Okay, make sure you don't put the shell inside. Put it in the, put it in. Yeah. Okay. Mila, Addie, one more. Good job, Addie. No, Beck, we don't only need 4 eggs. We already put 2 eggs here.
Oh.
Okay.
That's it.
Oh.
He's making my cake.
Okay,
No.
stir it.
He's
Stir it.
He's making my cake. Can I spoon too?
Yeah, stir it.
My cake. Is it cake? Is it cake?
Okay, stir it.
Cake.
Stir it.
We're making cake.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're making cake. Oh, that cake. Emmy, Emmy. That. Hold it here so I can store it.
Okay, stir it.
Is it cake mix?
Lemon cake.
We're making a cake! And yeah, we're making a cake! He's making my cake! He's making my cake! It's so dirty!
Look it.
bek te le Mila hin phur zwa le hei e chak em ma kan bia tir lop lop ani hi
Your turn will come,
Addie
Addie.
hi chu
So what is that?
a ti ve chi alo de wa
Yummy.
MAHSE ama cake tur bi kha kan han siam ve le thowa a phur ve tho ani
Do you look to kem?
Yummy!
Okay, do it again. Mila. Okay.
Wheel.
Okay, back. It's so yummy, right? Yum.
Like even this cake tastes better than I thought.
Okay.
Maybe. Addie's cake.
Yeah, Addie's cake.
We looked it.
ole hei hi
there.
white cake ania
Look to.
Addie ana pik ve thong ania ama tan
Okay,
bi ga kan
so
han siam ve
what else does
le
it
chu ni hi le
say? Mila, take a look what it says on here on the box.
I'm not very good at it.
Right there, we need to get oil. And how many eggs there? Can you count?
1, 2,
Okay. Wow, 4 eggs. We need 4 eggs for this one. Mm-hmm.
That's so yummy.
Ooh.
You want that?
Margot, what are you doing?
Addie, what can you see best ever? You have them in yours.
Okay, stir it. Keep stirring. Addie, careful. Oh no, Addie, Beck! Beck, what are you doing?
I got cake in my finger.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Hi, Margot. Look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Yes. Okay. Are we almost done? Ah.
We look the cake.
Okay, we have the lemon cake
It's
and the white cake. It's gonna be so yummy.
The lemon cake is finally baked.
Uh-huh. The lemon cake will be ready soon.
Why?
Okay, close the door, baby.
Because I have a clock.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm baking.
Baking. Baking right now.
Yes, bake it right now.
Right now.
I see it cracking.
Oh.
Wait, I see it. The lemon cake bakes even faster.
Yeah, the lemon cake it baked faster. Because we already put it in first with the
Zing lama cake kan urzo nuin chung kwa in kan han leng chuak don ania. Khotre te Brunswick antia chuanin kan kaldona mani khan life in tlem karon ti to a hei tu na kan kalna tlem karon ti lang le ange he mun hi Maryland le West Virginia a in po na ramri don ania helai hianin
Come over here. Let's get on the sidewalk, honey.
museum train museum omantia sumi hunakal tur chuanin kanin bua saya kan phur em a kan tu ten train lampang hi an lom zong ania chuta chuan kal turin kanin bua saya hei
Can you hand
kan
me
theng chia ni
hand Papa his cane? No? 2 blocks that way. I'm too close, honey, to take it.
khua alian lawa hei an kotler te po ate ve ang rang fiawa van doi thak takin kha train museum kha kan to tur kha an lo khar tlat meya chuwang chuanin kan dum angin kan kal thei talawa amero chu hei hela hian cafe ya hianin kan han top don ani he cafe hi ma na chuanin biak in ani thina tuna chuanin restaurant cafe angin an siamta achung hi kan lo enti rang cheu anuam ve dem khop mai hei biak in lu tur po kan ang ve viau zok ani biak in hui na chu amero chu hei tuna hianin restaurant an le ta ka wangin an thil coffee le tea te thil dang chaw te ei thein an siam ani hei bat tab lian pui mai lui deuh hi heng cold drinks da na hian an
Is that a bathtub?
siama helai pa hianin
A bathtub with
a
soda.
hnuai hian a kwa ice te kha atla thei veka atia amin han shil fia pokani no pangtan po se rep tur an nei nga aviau mai hei balcony lama kan pa lon chowa in chung lama tangin thla karon lak ang chewatia biak in hlui na chu hei an tuk ver zong te po stained glass ania amoi em maya keini nu pa hi chu stained glass ti lampang hi kan du zong ania amoi kan ti khop mai hei achunga tangin anwai tha aron la in hu thei dan turin hei tun ma chuanin hela hian pathian biak na in khom na in lo ni thin to a ka ngai to chuanin alung len tha ka ti khop mai tuna ero restaurant so e na mun le mi ten e le in turan ron zon na mun alo ni tamai sia helai mun hi kan chung tan chuanin anwa bang reng pia wa hei in ang deuh hlekin couch te sofa te dudo thunna turan siama no pangtan lekha buchiar na turte bookshelf ten siama kan tan chuan a ti chi khop mai eile in tlem kan dap nuin ke ni chungkwa chu holam kan pan le ta ani e ole khati zong kha tuna kan lo share le thei cheu chu ani a kan lom em e thank you so much and God bless.